And good evening. Thank you so much for joining us for 13 News at 6. I'm Patrick Simon.
And I'm Jennifer Abney. Topping our news this half hour, the battle lines are being drawn all across the nation, including here in West Virginia, over President Trump's latest pick for the U.S. Supreme Court.
But the court fight could also have an impact on other political contests, including which party controls the U.S. Senate. 13 News chief political reporter Mark Curtis has more.
Hey guys, how are you?
To no one's surprise, West Virginia Attorney General and Republican U.S. Senate nominee Patrick Morrisey is supporting President Trump's pick of Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the U.S. Supreme Court.
We know that President Trump is delivered with Brett Kavanaugh. He's an incredibly qualified pick with really impeccable credentials.
But his opponent, Democratic Senator Joe Manchin, is undecided on Kavanaugh, issuing a statement saying 800,000 West Virginians could lose medical coverage on pre-existing conditions in a court fight. Manchin expressed those concerns in a recent interview with us.
And for Patrick Morrisey to say, hey, I'm going to enter in and basically allow the insurance companies to have control and make decisions whether you get insurance or not, that means they'll do away with the pre-existing conditions. They've done it before. If it's not profitable, they'll do it again.
Morrisey claims that's only half true.
I think we have to get rid of the Obamacare and those high premiums, but clearly we have to ensure that we're protecting those who need help the most, including those with pre-existing conditions.
It's an issue the Supreme Court may decide. And Tuesday morning, Manchin echoed his concerns about West Virginians losing health insurance.
I mean, if that goes through and it's upheld and DOJ backs off, I got 800,000 people in jeopardy.
Back at the Morrisey rally, Democrats showed up saying Morrisey's wife's firm lobbies for Planned Parenthood, while he is pro-life.
Well, Patrick Morrisey is trying to have his cake and eat it too.
Morrisey shot back.
I'm strongly pro-life. I think it's a wrong question to actually be bringing someone's family member into this campaign. Look, I haven't gone after family members of my opponent.
The campaign and court battle are in full swing. But Supreme Court nominations aren't just about legal cases. They are intensely political. And where current senators and candidates for office stand on the Kavanaugh nomination could ultimately determine which party controls the Senate come the November elections. At the state capitol in Charleston, I'm Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
Patrick Morrisey says today that he believes Joe Manchin will ultimately vote yes for President Trump's pick for U.S. Supreme Court.